Getting started with Bertec custom scenes in Unity. Step 1. Open Kinomodo and navigate to the Custom Scene Development Kit link. Go to your desktop and open Kinomodo software. In the HMD or Dome workspace, click on the pencil icon to open the Edit Scene window. In the window, click on the Custom Scene Development Kit link. Bertec's Downloads page will open. Scroll down to the Kinomodo section and click on the Custom Scene Development Kit box. Fill out the form and click Submit. Once you hit Submit, a Bertec GitHub page will open with Software Development Kit files. Step 2. Download the custom scene files from GitHub. In the Bertec GitHub page, select the custom scene package for your system by clicking the Code button and selecting the Download Zip option. Once the files are downloaded, open the zip file and extract them. Step 3. Upload the downloaded custom scene file to Unity. Now that you've unzipped the Unity files, open the Unity Hub software and select Add Project from Disk. Find the extracted file called Bertec Custom Scene Dev Master and click Open. If the editor version is missing, this page will open. Select the missing version and install it. In the next page, ensure to select Android build support, Windows build support, and documentation. After that, click on the Continue button. Finally, put a check on the Terms and Condition box and click on the Install button. Once the editor is installed successfully, open the project by clicking on the uploaded project. The project will open in Unity. Note that it will take longer when opening for the very first time. Once the project opens, go to File and select the Build Settings options. If you are using an HMD system, change the build target to Android and click on Switch Platform. If you are creating a scene for the Dome system, you would select the Windows option instead after uploading the Dome custom scene project. Step 4. Make the desired changes to the custom scenes. When the custom scene is opened in Unity, navigate to Assets, select Documentation, and then open the Scene Guide. Before editing the scenes, make sure to look through the Scene Development Guide to gain more insights on all the components that are available to be customized and configured for your unique scene. The scene can be customized using the C# code for each scene. Under Asset, select Scenes. C# code is located there once a scene is selected. For example, select the Visual Flow scene. The Visual Flow C# code will open. There are also keyboard keys defined for testing inside the Unity. Now you are ready to make more changes in Unity to your custom scenes.